Bristol County, Massachusetts top prosecutor has filed an appeal after a Fall River Superior Court judge tossed out a jury's decision.
District Attorney Thomas Quinn says a judge overturning a jury verdict has happened 3 times now in the last year. Kate Wilkinson joins us now live in studio with both sides. Kate.
DA Quinn says he's concerned this is becoming a pattern that he's never seen before. But the attorney representing the defendant in this most recent case is arguing that there was not enough of evidence in the first place.
On March 4th, 2024, District Attorney Thomas Quinn says Gregory Robinson of New Bedford got out of a car here on Tinkham Street and shot into another vehicle.
One individual was hit twice, survived, and he fled.
Before the verdict was reached last month, Robinson's attorney asked the judge for a new trial if Robinson was found guilty. Quinn says a jury of 12 Bristol County residents found Robinson guilty on 5 counts, including assault and battery with a firearm. Earlier this month, Judge Thomas McGuire overturned that verdict and called for a new trial, as Robinson's attorney had asked. In a statement to 12 News, defense attorney Brent Wunderlich says the reason this most recent case was overturned was because there was simply not enough evidence. It was not enough for the defendant to have been found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. These rules exist to ensure that a defendant is only found to be guilty when the evidence supports such a conclusion and not based on speculation or conjecture. Quinn says Robinson presents a risk to public safety and says the defendant was charged with assaulting a household member when he was awaiting trial.
This is a dangerous individual who can't even behave himself after he's been released on this and put in, assaulting a woman with a bracelet on. So it just goes against what has occurred in the judicial system for many years.
Quinn says this is the second time Judge McGuire has overturned the jury's verdict, including a case last year when he says Scott Fontaine was convicted of child porn. And earlier this month, another judge called for a new trial in the child rape case against former Dartmouth police officer Sean Souza.
One judge assuming all roles, judge, jury, and prosecutor. That's not how it's supposed to work.
As a practice, judges do not comment on cases before them. Quinn is now appealing all 3 decisions. A status review for Robinson's case is scheduled for May 19th. Live in the studio, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.